Hi, this is Justin with the Showerhead store. Are you tired of using too much toilet paper? Well, it's probably time for you to get a bidet. Yes, not your typical shower that we talk about here on the Showerhead store, but one worth bringing into the topic of conversation. I'm talking about something like this, which you attach to your toilet connection. And it's just a little sprayer that makes cleanup a little bit more hygienic. So it's not for everybody, but if you're watching this video, you want to probably know more. The product that we settled on is made by a company called Rinseworks. We paid extra for a solid brass version. So you get the hose, this handle with the pressure control, a few of these different size tips, the T-valve, which you'll be installing to the bottom of your toilet, and connecting your toilet supply line here, and then the hose onto this side, and then a little holder for the toilet tank. So it's pretty easy to install, and I'll show you how to do that right now. First things first, I put a towel down that you don't care too much about. So just in case there's any leaks, what we'll do is we'll just gently close the angle valve. Okay. Close that down just for safekeeping. Flush the toilet, get the water out of the tank as best as we can, and then we'll just unthread the toilet supply line, kind of leave it over there. So this has a compression fitting on it. So we'll just go ahead and tighten that down by hand to the bottom of the toilet tank here. And I actually this is the second bidet that we bought. The first one we bought, it didn't have as nice of a T, and it just wouldn't seal no matter what. I did even use like some thread seal tape and stuff, but I don't know, it just wasn't, there was always a little tiny drip. So we found this company, and they actually have a brass handle and pretty good product all around, and didn't have any install issues at all. So now that we're moving into this place here, took it with us. So now that I have this tightened down, attach the toilet supply again. I've already threaded on the hose to this side, and then I'll thread the hose on to the other side here. Can just hand tighten this. It's a little slippery, but don't want to overdo it. Okay, so we got that, and then they have this hook, which honestly isn't great. It doesn't fit perfectly. So it's nice to have the hook front and center. You can always stand up and flush, but it's harder to reach back for this when you're sitting down. So it just hangs over like that, and you can dock it like that. Now, with that installed, we'll softly open the valve again. Just a little bit at a time. I don't want to shock the line. Sounds good. Open this up. So it's pretty high pressure. So you really only, there's this lever here that you just rotate down. That's gentle. Don't want to go that high unless you're doing things like rinsing cloth diapers or something that's cleaning something else in the bathroom. And that's pretty much it. The one thing they do suggest is when you're not using it, but certainly when you're away for a longer period of time, is closing the valve at the bidet. And all companies say that because they don't want this thing springing a leak and being liable for it. So they all say you got to shut this down when it's not in use. So down is off, pointing out towards you, the valve is on. So just like that, you have yourself a bidet right at your toilet for easy access, and hopefully brings you a cleaner toilet experience and less toilet paper use. Thanks for checking us out at the Showerhead store.